What it do, what's poppin', it's Desire, aka JKA, aka that pretty mother effer, and I'm back with another what? Another Another YouTube video, duh. Stop playing like y'all don't know my intro. Here we are today with K&R Royalty Collection, and boo, they sent me a whole bunch of goodies, and of course it's top quality. So we're gonna open up this little packaging right here, and boom, straight out the box. You see how much stuff you get? And in the bottom corner, I'm just showing you guys this beautiful headband, a little glam clip, and everything that comes included in the lace slaying kit. And I would highly suggest that everybody go buy this because it has everything included that you would need to install a wig except for the wig glue. Literally everything. But back to the big box. This right here is a little lash glue applicator. I know y'all been seeing videos of those online. It's a new way to apply glue, which I think is a lot more efficient, a lot less messy, and it's a whole lot quicker. And of course, we got a KR bonnet, baby. She hooked me up, got me a little lash applicator, which I did use to install my lashes, which you will see later. Here are the lashes. They're really good quality, and of course, it's named Queen because who's the queen? Who got crowned? Me. Okay. Nice little paddle brush. And now we have the wig, which is a full lace wig, 613 body wave, baby, straight out the box, no tangles, no nothing. Here's what the inside looks like. It's really well constructed, and I'm about to show you guys what it looks like on my skin. And of course it's a little cast because it is a 613 wig, but all you got to do is add a little bit of makeup and boom, it's blending in and it's your skin. Now for the part we've been waiting for, I used Revlon Color Silk. It was a little box dye thing. 2 number 60, 2 number 71. I mixed 1 number 60 and 171 right here with 30 volume developer. Then I added in some hot water, not boiling because you're probably gonna fry the hair, just like as hot as your sink can go. And then I added in purple shampoo, then just pour the last 2 on top, and then you want to start dipping in your hair. And when you're toning your hair, you want to make sure you get all of the strands coated, so make sure you're actually like scrubbing it and working it into it because we don't want to look patchy, we want to look like a baddie, okay, period. Make sure you just keep dipping it over and over and over again, get all of the strands coated, and then you done. I rinsed the hair off with cold water, then I came back with warm water, this time some conditioner, mixed it all together, and then I let the hair sit in it for about 15 minutes. And doing this process is what got me my final color, which is a platinum blonde. So onto the styling, I pretty much applied my wig off camera. Now I'm doing the edges, which takes me a really long time. So I hope y'all can enjoy me struggling to do the edges. But yeah, here's how the hair looks. It looks pretty yellow right now because of the filter I currently have on my camera. But I'll make sure to add some videos at the end to make sure y'all can see how it looks in natural lighting, because I promise you it's really not this yellow, it's platinum blonde. Coming in with the sleek stick, which is a part of the lace layer kit. Just gonna put that around the hairline, tame those flyaways, and make sure that my hair gets extra straight. Then letting the KR hot comb finish the job. And honestly, I've never seen a hot comb like this, and I was pleasantly surprised that it got hotter than my actual flat iron. And it has two different sides, as I showed previously, and I ended up using that side to press down the roots of my hair. And as you can see, it got really flat. Definitely go buy it. The link will be in the description. Here's the final reveal. Ooh, that girl cute, ain't she? She feeling herself. I already know. Wait till she put on her little headband. And she came back with the lip gloss on. Oof, y'all can't tell me I ain't fine. I've been crowned. This look can only be accomplished with KR Royalty Collection, especially with the lace layer kit and the hot comb. This was destined for me. Blonde D is the best D. They don't call me Blonde D for nothing, period. And the brush is just gliding through. The hair is lovely. It's like silk, it's like butter, and I look fine. Thank you, KR Collection. Make sure y'all go shop. Everything will be in the description because I'm a baddie. But yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. The rest of this is just me feeling myself and showing off the lashes in a little bit. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your mother, your father, your auntie, your uncle, your grandma, your grandpa, your first, second, third, and fourth generation of cousins, because I know you know all of them. Share with your dogs, your cats, your auntie, your local community. Don't be a local hater because ew, why? Anyways, bye.